Hi, my name is Marie Reddick and I am the operations manager here at Point Realty. I have had the privilege of working under John and Stephanie Deeds for several years now, and it's been such an adventure. It's been so exciting to see their dream come to fruition with opening this brokerage. On top of that, I've gotten to witness firsthand, personally and professionally, their passion and desire for success in real estate agents. And I believe that that passion and desire for the success is going to be the motivating driving factor for Point Realty and why it's going to be huge. I believe Point Realty operates like a family. It's a very welcoming environment. We've got a great office for you to just come and hang out at, and it's pretty much like our second home here at Point Realty. If you are looking for a brokerage with dedicated leadership and top-level brokerage support, look no further. Point Realty is where it's at and where you want to be too.
Hi, I'm Tanya Treadway. I'm a realtor here at Point Realty. One of the reasons I chose Point Realty is because it's a family-oriented atmosphere, and it's great to work here. We have Marie, which is a great secretary. She keeps us all straight. She's our admin, and she takes really good care of us. And I've been with Stephanie and John a couple of years, and it's been great. And we play hard and we work really hard, and I wanted that kind of family atmosphere. So come and join us, Point Realty.
Hey, it's Nate Reddick. I'm a realtor here at Point Realty, and I can just tell you right now, this brokerage is awesome. The owners, Stephanie and John, they're fantastic. They take you on like family, but they give you great insight, and if you might be stuck in some area, they definitely help direct you through. So all I can say is good, positive things about Point.
Hey, my name is Cody Dennis. I'm a realtor here at Point Realty. I chose to work with Point Realty because they offer great training and a great support system. So if that's what you're looking for, have mentorship, choose Point Realty.
Hey y'all, my name is Lou Ann. I'm with Point Realty. And if you're ever considering going with a brokerage that will have your back, I highly recommend them. And you might wonder why this one out of so many brokerages. Well, I work with a husband and wife team. Both are brokers, and one of them is actually my team leader. We have a new office in downtown historical Mansfield. It's such a cool office, and I'm super excited that we're located here. And also, my team members, they always give me unconditional support. So if we ever need each other, we just call each other up and we just fill in. So if you're considering working with a brokerage that might be like your extended family, I highly recommend you giving us a try.